After switching to this, you are working on this. Is that page? Document 2, yes. It must show document 2 on your screen. The people who can hear me now, you search for Felicity Mureki. And you go to your YouTube videos and you check the one that is live now. Is there a live stream now? There are people who can see it now. Yes. What is the day today?
It's 14.
Are we live? I don't say. Just check the live stream that is live now. Did you find? It has got a page with document 2.
Can I see that one?
This is offline.
Yeah. Refresh again.
The YouTube that you must open, it says live now. Ngwato, why can't you find it on that? This one is fine. It's 26 January. I said now, let's see. Okay, this is one. You go to the one that says paragraph group with Ngwato. What to start, please?
Okay, it's set to
I don't text now. You said you want to text.
yes.
What's going on?
Should I talk with them like this, or I should just stay here?
You know what? Focus on the paragraph group before you answer the questions straight.
how to insert a paragraph.
Yes. No, the paragraph is there. They typed it most. So all you do is you focus on this, inserting a bullet, inserting a number, increasing and decreasing. Then remember by default the bullets get indented, decreasing indentation. It's about decreasing. It's about increasing your indentation, decreasing your indentation, sorting your list. This is sorting your list in ascending or in descending. Your alignment, your centering, your paragraph, your justification. So the question asks for this, but explain this as well. And then your line spacing, then your shading and the border, because this is inside the border. So you must select and also apply a border around it. Okay. Good.
Around the top.
Yes. Sure.
Okay, this is how to set it. Okay, sit down. You shit. Indentation. To indent this one, we need to lay out. And then we indent here. Okay, zero. And with the zero. And to enter paragraph. Enter paragraph. And this is about this. And after this, this one. Then after to change our page landscape, go to home, layout, then we change the sound, portrait and landscape, then we go for landscape, and then we change landscape, and then after landscape, we go to change margins, this one's, I can explain with this thing. I can explain with this thing.
What? With my
I can explain with this one, but I was just trying to, because here is our indentations. That we can change this one to zeros or whatever number, and then after that, this is our orientation.
It's at 0 at the moment.
Yes,
But
yes,
but
yes.
check. Why don't you use the other home tab? The layout one.
Oh,
Yes. Use the
I
use
think
the
maybe this
paragraph
one
one.
can be simple.
Okay, it's fine either way. But if it's been increased at 0, even if you go to layout and now put it at 0,
Right here.
then it's decreased to 0. In the same way, when you are in the same way when you are at the home tab, when you are increasing it. Oh man, now it's not increasing because I've used those formats now. They're here. Okay, we clear the formats and then we bullet it. Okay, now decrease, increase it. You see, still going the same way. Whichever way.
So, should I just show here without talking
You talk.
loud?
Yes, you're talking to them loudly and you're explaining here, but then they can watch you here.
Okay.
This is where they can watch you from their screen
So,
as you explain.
I cannot say this one.
It's the same as when you are on the board.
So, guys, we are all at question 11, where it says type the following text in a table. We are all done that. And then number 12, it says insert a row between first year student and third year student. We are done with that, ne? Okay, let's go to our live channel.
If you go to the live channel, he's explaining the paragraph group where you are inserting your bullets, where you are changing and defining your bullets, where you are decreasing and increasing your bullets. Watch and also listen, okay?
So this is how to insert our table. And then to add a row, we just come between the second row and the third row. Then we'll see the positive. Then we press the positive, it will add a row. We are done with that one. Eh? Then when it says merge and center, to merge and center, we are going to highlight our two cells at row 1. Then we go to layout. And then below review, we'll see merge cells. Then we click merge cells. Then it will merge cells. Then after to center our heading, we go back to home tab. Then we align to center. And then with number 13.2, shade or fill with dark blue. We're just gonna click our first row, and then next to line spacing, we'll see a shading jack. Then we're gonna choose a dark blue color. And then we go to number 14, insert a cloud shape, and type your student number inside the shape. Then to insert a shape, we go to insert and then shapes. And then we go to shapes number 4 where it says basic shapes. And then we'll see a cloud shape there. Basic shapes. This is our shape. And then we go to number 15, change the orientation of the page to landscape. We're just gonna click anywhere on the page. Then we go to layout. We go to layout. And then on our far left hand side, there's the orientation. We go to orientation. We'll see portrait and landscape. Then we choose landscape. We are done. Eh? With number 16, where it says insert an automatic date below the main heading. Just gonna click below the main heading, then we go to insert. Then on our far right hand side, we'll see signature line, date and time. Then that's where we click to insert our automatic date, format to be 14 March 2019. Then okay. Then we go to number 17 where it says apply a page color as blue, accent 1, lighter 40%. Then we just click anywhere on our page. Then we go to design. Then on our far right hand side, we choose page color. What was the color again? Then we choose blue, accent 1, 40% lighter. And then we go to number 18, apply a page border. Then they gave you an example of the style border. So we still at design tab. Then on our right top corner, there's a page borders. We click page borders. Then we choose the same type of the page border they gave us there. One line below is this one. And then we go to question 19. It says change the document layout. Make sure it fit on one page. Then we check spelling and grammar. So to check spelling and grammar, we go to review. Then on our left top corner, we'll see ABC, spelling and grammar. Then we just click on spelling and grammar. Then you'll see whether your document has mistakes to rectify, or your document is perfect. Then if your document is perfect, then you just click OK. If you have something like your surname on the document, computer will rectify. And then if you want to rectify, you can rectify. And then if you want to ignore, you can say ignore all, or add your surname to computer dictionary. Then we go to number 20. It says save the document as Film Academy in a folder on the desktop. Then we are all done. And then now I'm going to show you convert how to convert a text to a table, and then convert a table to a text. So guys, there are three ways to convert table to text and text to table. There are three ways. It's either you convert using tabs, or using commas, or paragraph text. So if you're going to use commas, I'm going to have 5 ways. Then I'm writing 5 surnames. After each surname, I put a comma. So if I'm putting a comma, which means I'm going to convert my text to table using commas. So to convert, I'm just going to highlight those ways I have. Then I go to convert text to table. Then can you see my text is now converted from text to table? I'm done, I'm sure. I'm done. And then to change using tabs, instead of using commas, we're just simply going to use tab. Do you know how to use tabs, ne? Eh? Then if you know how to use tabs, then meaning we are done. Like this.
Guys, need help? Need help? Need explanation? Raise your hand. I'll come to you.
What's wrong? What's wrong? How to change this one to a table?
Yes. My numbers fit.
You don't have to finish. Where are you from? Where?
I'm from Ngwato.
Where?
That's what.
Hey, your language. Oh shit. It's boring.
Okay.
Hey, Kata. Didn't tell him both. Oh, sorry, no. Sorry. My. Oh, sorry. Okay. To do a table, we're going to. What can we convert?
Like you want to change something.
Yeah.
A sentence.
Okay. Which sentence or what sentence? I'm going to school. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm okay. I'm going to school. Ne? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, how come the comma doesn't like exist?
Oh, okay. Yeah. So that one will come after. You're going to check whether you want to convert using commas or tabs. So it's either commas or tabs.
Okay.
Yeah. So now we can convert using commas or tabs. Tell me one. Commas or tabs? Tab. And then where you must put a space line, you just put tab. Ne? Then page tab. Ne? And then what can we put below? 1 tab, 2 tab, 3 tab, 4 tab, 5 not tab. Then we are done like this now. Then you go to insert, then table. It's simple. Then convert.
And then you press the convert and
then it will convert. Then it will ask you 5 columns, 2 rows. Okay, meaning it's going to put another cell here where you're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then rows 1, 2. Then remember we're using tabs. Then just say okay.
Thank you.
Okay. And then where's that one?
And then go back to my
Yeah, and then this is how you convert from table back to
sentence.
yeah. You just highlight your table, then layout, then just a table, convert to text. What do you wanna use, tabs or commas?
Tabs.
Because when you convert back to text, it will be the same as the way it was before. And then if you use commas, it's going to what again? It's going to where it was tabs. It's going to put
Commas. Okay,
commas.
let's see your
Yeah.
commas.
Then you can just press commas. Then okay. Then you see it's commas.
Okay.
Yeah. And then to erase those two empty cells, you just remove this comma, and then remove this comma. You convert again, and it will give us only 4 columns and 4 columns, 2 rows. Now, yeah, see 4 columns, 2 rows using commas. Then okay. See, we no longer having those two empty cells. Yeah. So did you guys this is your first class?
No, it's not. Why are you asking?
I'm just asking because with other classes we are far.
It's not her first class, but sometimes she's not always like teaching. She's not always there.
Oh, she don't come to class. Oh, she will come to class. I know.
That amazing being my sister.
Yeah, I need to be in my sister. Oh, you're from Beresford?
Yeah. Why?
I know Beresford. I came to Beresford 2017, 3 June. I was at Beresford. Oh, this other place, Ngwato, something like that. We're not going to answer. That place, there is no network.
Only that place.
Le Plajan.
Nah, like
So meaning
I live
because the time I was there,
exactly in Beresford.
the ish.
Huh?